Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Huawei Watch D. First, unbox your new Huawei Watch D and connect it to the charger until it's fully powered up. Next, download the Huawei Health application on your smartphone and follow the on-screen instructions to pair your watch via Bluetooth. It's crucial to ensure the watch fits snugly, about 1 finger's width above your wrist bone, for accurate readings. This initial setup takes just a few minutes. For accurate blood pressure measurements, preparation is key. Sit upright and relax for at least 5 minutes before you begin. Position your arm on a flat surface, ensuring the watch remains at heart level. When you're ready, simply press the dedicated blood pressure button on the watch. The built-in mini pump will inflate, so it's vital to remain completely still and quiet during the entire process for precise results. This ensures reliable data for your health. Monitoring your heart health is straightforward with the Watch D. To take an electrocardiogram, simply place 1 finger on the side electrode for about 30 seconds until the measurement is complete. Beyond on-demand checks, the watch continuously monitors your heart rate throughout the entire day and night, providing valuable insights. All your electrocardiogram results and detailed heart rate trends are easily accessible within the Huawei Health application for comprehensive tracking. For daily use, the Huawei Watch D is designed for convenience and durability. It boasts a water resistance rating of 2.5 atmospheres, making it suitable for everyday activities like hand washing. To maintain optimal performance, remember to clean the watch regularly with a soft, dry cloth, especially around the sensors. Charging your watch every few days ensures continuous and uninterrupted health tracking, keeping you informed about your well-being around the clock.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.